Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Good morning! My goodness, guess what, vlogsters? I forgot to post yesterday's video until I don't know, 20 minutes ago. I'm telling you, therapy brain is real. I have too many excuses of why my brain is just like... So, let me get comfortable because I'm going to talk for a little bit. So the first thing I wanted to talk about was happy Sunday. And I don't know if you noticed the title of today's video, but today is an off day. So I'm going to say, like I wrote Thanksgiving Day was an off day. I'm just going to put day off. Day 12 day off. Maybe we'll put that. But I don't want to put day 12 because day 12 is the actual therapy day. So today is Sunday. I have nothing today. I got up by myself. I got dressed by myself. I went to the bathroom by myself, but I actually needed help off the bathroom because, that happens. Then I got dressed. I sat in my chair for a little bit. And then I ate my breakfast sitting in my wheelchair today. And then I got dressed. Let's just put everything in order. Hi. I woke up. I went to the bathroom. I got all my accoutrement ready to go to the ladies' room. And then I went to the ladies' room. I needed help off the toilet. Then I sat in my chair whilst I ate my breakfast, because that just happened to come at the same time. And then when I was done with my breakfast, I got my clothes together, and I got cleaned up, and I got dressed, and I got washed up in the whole bit. And then I put my clothes on, and I sat in the recliner for a little while with my brace on. I got to figure out something with this brace. It is so uncomfortable. I feel like I'm going to get a black and blue under my chin. Because when I sit, I think the back is too long and it's pushing the front up. And I don't know how to do anything different. So hopefully that if he gets to come tomorrow, the representative who made my brace for me, if he comes tomorrow, I hope he comes tomorrow. Maybe we can work out something, figure something out. Because yes, I have 90 days from the time I was ordered it till I can be satisfied with it, but it's just I am losing my gut. Ooh. Did you guys hear that? My fupa is becoming deflated, and it's very, very difficult. It just pushes the brace up under my armpits and into my neck, and it's so uncomfortable. I don't know what to do. And I'm just going to continue to lose weight. I mean, I know that. That's just what's going to happen. That's even before chemotherapy. Chemotherapy made me lose weight because I lost my appetite. But even before that, it's just I know I'm going to keep losing weight. I weighed myself today, and it seems like it's only 10 pounds. But however, I realized the last time I got weighed was before I had titanium all running through my leg. So I kind of asked the nurse as a joke. I was like, do you know how much the titanium rod and pin and plate weighs? I think that's a question for the surgeon. But that being said, so I got weighed today, and it's a standing scale that's actually it could be a wheelchair scale if the person's wheelchair is small enough. So I have to put the walker on there and then zero it, and then almost get on it, and then stand up, and then pull the wheelchair out, and then weigh myself. And then I had her bring the brace back inside to weigh it after I got off. That's why I'm in bed. Because I'm only allowed to not wear the brace in bed or in the shower. And since I showered yesterday, there was no way I was showering today. My skin would just scratch. I would just scratch my skin off. But anyway, I had her weigh the brace. The brace apparently weighs exactly 5 pounds. Feels very heavy, but 5 pounds it is. So it seems like I've lost only 10 pounds, but I feel like I've lost a lot of inches. Now, we do know that muscle is more dense than fat. So even if you've gained muscle and you've lost fat, you could lose inches without actually losing pounds. We all know that. But, we'll see. It's just sort of like that, that it is what it is. And then I realized about all the metal going through my leg, and is the cement weigh more than the tumor and that kind of thing. So that being said, I'll ask the surgeon if he knows, because I want to keep track of my weight. Otherwise, I'll just know that with the metal and all that stuff, I weigh 334. And we can go from there. You know, I'll just continue to do whatever the weight is now. That being said, today is Sunday. I had today's carb day, so I had a scrambled eggs, because you can only get scrambled eggs or hard-boiled eggs or egg beaters. Scrambled eggs with a turkey sausage patty and turkey bacon on gluten-free toast this morning for breakfast. And I had my apple is over there, and my 3 cups of coffee. I just finished them. And then Aunt Sue is coming, and she's going to have lunch with me. She's bringing lunch from Panera. For lunch today, I ordered just a scoop of chicken salad because Aunt Sue is bringing me a half a Cobb salad and a half of soup. So when you go to Panera, you can get a pick too. So you can get like a half a sandwich and a half a salad, or a half a soup and a half a sandwich, or a half a soup and a half a salad. So I figured if Aunt Sue gets me soup and salad, I can have my chicken salad if I want to still. So let's see what else. I don't know. What else? Anything you guys can think of that you want to talk about? So right now it's currently 10 to 11, which means actually you didn't even see the video yet because it's scheduled for 11:01. But I'm watching 24 hours of Harry Potter. There has been a Harry Potter marathon on the E! Entertainment Network for 2 days now. And they're just continuously playing it. So it's pretty exciting stuff. Instead of having to search around, I just like it in the background anyway, so I might as well just keep watching it. So that's it for now. I think I'm going to remember to pick you up later. I love you guys. And listen. Shh. Silence. No work. Okay. Happy Sunday. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Well, today was supposed to be a day of rest. It is 10 to 7 on Sunday. I did my exercises in bed. And I don't remember if I mentioned it before, but when I was transporting myself back to the bed, I hurt my left knee, which is my good knee at this point. And it's just, I reported it to the doctor. I wanted to let them know. They're talking about maybe an x-ray, and they're talking about maybe a shot just to help that out because I need it to be strong. But it does have cancer in it, you guys know. So I don't know what's going to happen. I'm going to try tomorrow. I'm going to text I'm going to call the orthopedist oncologist. I have an appointment on Wednesday, but I want to see if he wants me to do something different. So, however, I'm sitting here and I was finished with dinner and I've been repositioning myself all night. I've been doing my exercises because I've been trying to build up my strength so that my knee won't hurt. I thought maybe my knee was bothering me because I didn't do much yesterday. I mean, I did my exercises in bed, but it's a lot less of a workout than I get in the gym. But my right knee just started pounding, sharp, pulsating, all of the things. I got about a 9 out of 10 from me. I know that sounds crazy because it's like so far away from surgery. We're talking today's Sunday, the day after tomorrow is 3 weeks post-op for this femur, and 2 weeks post-op and last Thursday was 3 weeks post-op from the knee. So it really shouldn't be feeling it at this point. However, right? I'm just saying. So I had a bit of a cry because it was hurting quite a bit, and I know that I cry for everything. Hold on a second. I know that I cry for everything, but this was pain and frustration and sadness and frustration, mostly. I know I need to allow myself grace for the days when things aren't good. But I hate the thought of 2 steps forward, 1 step back. So currently I'm icing my knees. I know I have old type of pajamas on, but it's just what the nurse grabbed me. I said, I have on black shorts. Can you just grab me something that matches black shorts? And she grabbed this, and it was still clean, so it's fine. And it's just a lot. It's a lot going on. It's a lot to think about. I had a good dinner. It was just green beans and grilled chicken, and I had peaches with sugar-free vanilla ice cream, which was nice. It was a nice dessert. But I'm really mad that I had to get the bedpan twice in bed because I'm afraid to get up now. Pain hurts. Anyway, I am going to probably end this vlog right now because I got my pain med and it's only 7 o'clock, but sometimes the pain med makes me sleepy and sometimes it makes me doofy. And then sometimes the cancer hurts and sometimes the cancer makes me doofy. And we won't give up hope. This isn't a step back. This is just a step not forward. So we're going to keep icing those knees, press on, and tomorrow's another day. So we're going to wake up and kick its ass in. Okay? Sometimes success isn't in how much we move forward. Sometimes success is measured by how much we fail, but get up and start again the next day. So, tomorrow's another day. We will conquer. We will defeat. We will kick its butt. We will get all the things done that we need to do in the next 2 days. So, if nobody's told you today that you are loved, remember that I love you. Even though I'm not really crazy about myself right now. Just kidding. Oh, isn't that terrible? Look how big that port is. Yowzers. And it's itchy. And it's rashy. And it's red. But it is what it is. As always, you guys take care. God bless. And we'll see you next time. Bye.